Most dangerous trees you should never touch. Our planet is home to a diverse range of trees, and while many provide us with beauty, shade, and even sustenance, there are some whose very existence poses significant risks to humans, animals, and the environment. In this exploration, we delve into the world of these perilous arboreal specimens, each uniquely equipped with a natural arsenal capable of causing harm and even death. From Florida's infamous Neal tree to the Namibian bottle tree in Africa and the eerie suicide tree of India, join us on a journey through the realm of the world's most dangerous trees. Welcome to the channel, subscribe, and let's dive in. 1. The Neal tree, aka the Tree of Death. The Neal tree, native to sandy soils in northern South America and the Caribbean, is often recognized as the most dangerous tree in the world. Its presence is most pronounced in South Florida, where it is known to flourish. Every part of the Neal tree, from its bark to its leaves, harbors danger. But it's the sweet, apple-like fruit that conceals the most perilous secret. Consuming this fruit can lead to internal bleeding, edema, and shock. The tree further defends itself with a poisonous, milky sap that, upon contact, causes intense burning and blistering. Merely touching or ingesting the Neal tree's fruits can trigger excruciating pain, severe blisters, or even death. The peril doesn't end there. Even the smoke from burning its branches and leaves can cause blindness, skin irritation, and other health complications. Due to its extreme toxicity, attempting to remove the Neal tree without professional assistance is a grave risk. It's imperative to engage a professional who knows how to handle this tree safely. Local businesses with expertise in tree removal or those offering free tree removal programs are your best allies. The Neal tree's natural habitat extends across the northern parts of South America, the Caribbean, and portions of Central America. However, the majority of surviving Neal trees can be found in Florida and Mexico. While you might not come across these trees in public parks or common areas, you could encounter them in forests and nature trails throughout Florida. 2. Namibian bottle tree, aka killer tree in Africa. The Namibian bottle tree, native to the deserts of Africa, is peculiarly shaped like a bottle and serves as a reservoir for water. However, the water it stores is highly toxic and lethal to both animals and humans who use it for hunting. The toxic water serves as a defense mechanism against desert-dwelling animals that might otherwise drain the water, leaving the tree to wither. The tree's thorny branches also discourage tampering. You're unlikely to find this plant in human habitats, as it is specifically adapted to desert environments and primarily found in Namibia, Africa. 3. Eastern Cottonwood, the wheat tree of North America. The eastern cottonwood, a large tree with weak wood and deep roots, poses danger not through toxicity but through its own vulnerabilities. Native to eastern North America, Chicago, and the Midwest, this species can grow up to 100 feet in height, offering a majestic sight. However, its weakness is evident in its brittle wood, making it hazardous when planted in residential areas. Some individuals are allergic to its pollen, leading to further concerns in urban and residential settings. This has prompted many cities to remove cottonwood trees from neighborhoods in favor of reforestation and carbon offset projects. Despite the vulnerabilities posed by eastern cottonwoods to humans, these trees do not pose a direct danger to dogs. However, dogs should avoid ingesting their seeds, as these can cause nausea and stomach upset. Eastern cottonwood trees are considered invasive due to their extensive root systems, much like aspens, which spread prolifically. Consequently, many cities have chosen to prohibit the planting of cottonwood trees in urban areas. Eastern cottonwood trees can reach towering heights of 75 to 100 feet, with a typical lifespan of around 70 years. Remarkably, the oldest known cottonwood tree has survived for approximately 140 years. 4. The sandbox tree, aka the dynamite tree. The sandbox tree, colloquially known as the dynamite tree, derives its explosive name from its large pods that burst open, releasing massive seeds at high speed. These projectiles pose significant danger to anything beneath the tree, as they can cause severe injuries or even death. Yet, the tree's threats extend beyond its explosive seeds. Its bark is lined with dangerous spikes, and it produces a toxic sap that is harmful to humans. This perilous combination has earned it the moniker "monkey no climb," as no creature, human or animal, ventures close to this hazardous specimen. 5. Suicide tree, aka instant death. As the name suggests, the suicide tree is a plant capable of causing instant death. It has been employed as a murder weapon, allowing malevolent individuals to poison others or even commit suicide. Despite its grim reputation, the suicide tree doesn't outwardly resemble a lethal plant. Adorned with beautiful green leaves and white flowers, its benign appearance masks its deadly nature. Furthermore, it has no strong flavor, making it easily ingestible without arousing suspicion. Native to India, this tree is primarily used for landscaping and should be kept far from households where it could be accessed by curious children. The tree contains noxious chemicals that prove fatal to humans upon consumption. Consequently, it is inadvisable to cultivate this tree in location easily accessible to children. 6. Milky Mangrove, aka blind your eyes. The Milky Mangrove is a tree typically found along tropical coastlines. However, its toxic composition makes it hazardous to all living organisms, including humans. Any injury to the tree, such as a scratch or cut, causes a milky sap to ooze out. Contact with this sap results in blistering and swelling on the skin, and if it reaches the eyes, it can lead to blindness. While the Milky Mangrove contributes to the scenic beauty of coastlines, its toxic nature renders it dangerous in areas inhabited by humans. 7. Bine pine, aka the monkey puzzle tree. The Bine pine tree is a towering giant, reaching heights of almost 148 feet. Its menace stems from its gigantic and heavy pine cones that fall to the ground for reproduction. Any object or creature struck by one of these massive pine cones is at risk of sustaining severe injuries, even death. The limited dispersal range of these huge pine cones contributes to the ongoing propagation of Bine pine trees. While they may be seen as a threat to safety, they remain a vital component of many ecosystems, contributing to their survival and growth. 8. Brugmansia spp, aka the angel's trumpet. The angel's trumpet is a small tree characterized by its large, pendulous flowers. Native to South America, it has gained popularity as an ornamental plant, particularly for its beautiful, fragrant blossoms. However, the entire plant, including its leaves, flowers, and seeds, contains toxic alkaloids that can be fatal if ingested. These alkaloids can cause hallucinations, delirium, paralysis, and even death. In some cases, individuals have deliberately ingested parts of the angel's trumpet for its hallucinogenic effects, leading to tragic consequences. Due to its toxicity, caution should be exercised when growing or handling this tree, especially in households with children and pets. 9. The strychnine tree, aka Quaker buttons. The strychnine tree, native to Southeast Asia and Australia, produces seeds that contain the highly poisonous alkaloids strychnine and brucine. These alkaloids act as powerful neurotoxins and can cause severe muscle spasms, convulsions, and ultimately respiratory failure, often leading to death. Historically, the seeds of the strychnine tree were used as a poison for hunting, pest control, and even in criminal activities. However, due to their extreme toxicity, their use is now highly regulated and restricted. 10. Ora crepidans, aka monkey no-climb tree. It is native to tropical regions of North and South America. It's known for its explosive seed pods that can burst open, scattering seeds at high speeds. These seeds can cause injury or harm to anything in their path. Additionally, the milky sap of the sandbox tree is highly toxic and can cause skin irritation, making the tree hazardous to handle. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.